Guys? Oh. Oh, boy.
Dude, bringing back the mohawk. Good for you.
Oh, y'all got jokes, huh? But let's see how funny you are after we bash your heads in.
Watch it! Careful!
Dude, seriously?
Yep, that's my bad. I got a little carried away.
I got it!
I'll take that.
I don't got it!
Don't worry, guys. I'll level out the plane.
And there's no cockpit.
Careful! As some of the items may have shifted during flight.
Whoa!
How you doing up there, Donnie?
Everything is great. I'm doing awesome. Oh.
This pig is flying! Wrath! Everyone okay?
I'm good.
I'm good. Wait, where's Raph?
Land! Land. Well, this is awkward.